Welcome back dear friends. Today video is all about wood and Christmas decoration, simple, rustic, handmade and full of charm. But along with the tutorial style ideas, I am sharing a beautiful story, a story about a young girl named Sarah and the old carpenter who taught her the wood remembers love and Christmas remembers kindness. In a small snowy town stood a forgotten workshop filled the block of wood, colored shaving and tool untouched for years. It belonged to a elderly carpenter named Mr. Hale, known once for his magical wooden toys and Christmas decor. But after the children grew and moved away, he stopped carving. The workshop grew quiet, like a closed storybook. Down the street lived a girl named Sarah, curious, gentle, and full of Christmas excitement. One day, while playing near the workshop, she found a small wooden star lying in the snow. It was old but beautiful curved. She walked inside and said, "Sir, I found a star, but I think it fell from your sky." Mr. Hale looked at her. The first smile in air touched his face. "Let's begin with our first craft, rustic wooden star. You need thin wooden sheet, a pencil, small sieve, a cutter, sandpaper, rope or twins. Draw a star, cut it gently, sand the edges, and tie a rope to hang it." Sarah's first decoration was excited exactly this, a wooden star she and Mr. Hale made together. When they hung it on her window, the wood glowed softly in the golden lights. Sarah began visiting every afternoon. Mr. Hill taught her how to shave wood, how to listen to his grain, and how to create magic with simple rules. And slowly the workshop came alive again. For the next project, we make mini wooden village house, cut small blocks into house shape, sand them smooth, paint windows, door, and snowy roof, and fairy lights behind them. When Sarah placed her miniature wooden house on a shelf, it looked like glowing Christmas village, quite peaceful, magical. One day Sarah asked Mr. Hale, "Why did you stop carving?" He gently pointed to an old photo of him with his children at Christmas, all holding handmade wooden toys. "I made things with love, but then time carried them away," he said softly. Sarah looked at him with bright eyes. "Then let make new memories." And from that day, he come again, not for Christmas but for joy. For our next craft, let's make wooden reindeer ornaments. Take a flat wooden slice, draw simple reindeer cut with small paint or stain it. Add a teeny geometry. Sarah hung her on her Christmas tree and whispered, "Now it feels like Christmas truly arrived." On ornaments and this Christmas, Mr. Hale and Sarah decorated the entire workshop, wooden star hanging from shelves, mini house glowing softly, reindeer ornaments dancing in the warm lights, village villager passing by stopped to admire, amazed by the warm wooden glow. And here One more beautiful decoration, wooden log candle holder. Cut a small log, slice drill shallow, place LED candle inside, add pine cone or berries around it. These bring a perfect rustic winter charm. That night, as snowflakes fell softly, Sarah handed Mr. Hale